In the heart of Bangladesh, where tradition meets innovation, a story of pride is woven thread by thread. Every roar of the crowd, every national anthem sung, it all begins here. Red, the color of courage, the color of Bangladesh. Before the sun climbs high, thousands of skilled hands begin their craft.
It starts with the fabric, specially engineered for champions.
Every meter undergoes rigorous inspection. Perfection is the only standard. Strength, breathability, color that never fades. Science ensures excellence.
Where art meets engineering. The design studio is the birthplace of identity.
Every line, every curve is digitally perfected before a single thread is cut.
Traditional pattern making meets cutting-edge technology. Precision to the millimeter. A single error could affect thousands.
One design, 12 sizes, each graded with mathematical perfection. Efficiency is sustainability. Every centimeter of red fabric is precious.
This long paper blueprint will guide the cutting of hundreds of jerseys.
Before production begins, the nation itself must approve its armor. Approved. The green light for production.
The stage is set. Let the transformation begin.
Layer upon layer, up to 100 sheets stacked with machine precision.
Machine precision guided by human expertise.
A solid block of potential, ready to become something greater. The blueprint meets the material, a marriage of plan and possibility.
For smaller runs, the master's hand ensures absolute precision.
For the big orders, automated precision handles what hands alone cannot.
Where detail is everything, laser technology delivers perfection.
From a solid block, the jersey begins to reveal its shape.
Every bundle tracked, every jersey accounted for. From cutting to sewing, the journey continues. Even the scraps serve a purpose. Sustainability is woven into every step. Cut once. Check twice. The standard never wavers.
Every player is unique. Their jersey will be too.
Hundreds of jerseys, cut in minutes. This is industrial craftsmanship.
The screens are the canvas. The emulsion holds the secret. Light etches the design. Shadow becomes the tool. The design emerges, washed by water, fixed by light.
The green of our fields, the white of our peace, mixed to perfection. A fraction of a millimeter off, and the crest loses its dignity.
The first pass, the foundation of identity. Layer by layer, the nation's emblem comes to life on red fabric. Heat locks each layer, building color upon color. Through fire, the print becomes one with the fabric, forever. For the premium touches, embroidery adds dimension and prestige.
12 needles. 1 heartbeat. The crest lies in thread.
The details that separate good from exceptional. If it doesn't meet the standard, it doesn't leave this floor. Where red fabric becomes a national statement.
The sewing floor, where everything comes together.
The right thread, the right tension. The foundation of every seam.
The shoulder seam must stretch, must breathe, must endure 90 minutes of battle.
The two-dimensional becomes three. The flat becomes form.
The sleeve. A perfect circle meeting a perfect curve.
The collar frames the heart, where the crest sits closest to the soul. Invisible to the eye, essential to the athlete. The hem, simple in appearance, complex in execution. Ventilation where it's needed most. Engineering meets ergonomics.
The label of authenticity. A promise of quality. Instructions for care. So the pride lasts beyond the final whistle.
The number on the back. The name above it. Identity immortalized. Layer by layer, the player's armor is personalized.
The badge of competition. Proof of belonging on the world stage. Every seam tested. Every stitch inspected. No exceptions.
The devil is in the details, and so is the divine.
From pieces to pride. The journey of 1,000 stitches.
This is where Bangladesh's reputation is sown, one jersey at a time. Steam and pressure erase the journey. What remains is perfection. The crest is treated with reverence. Even in pressing, it is protected.
Inside and out. Perfection doesn't have a hidden side.
Measurements recorded. Specifications honored. Consistency guaranteed.
Weight tells the story of consistency. Every gram matters.
The red of today must match the red of tomorrow. Color consistency is sacred.
Tested for 50 washes. The crest must endure.
Pulled until it breaks. Only then do we know its true strength.
The final human eye. Decades of experience in every glance.
Random samples. Statistical certainty. International standards applied.
Minor flaw or major failure. The standard decides. Not sympathy. The hardest decision is also the most important. Only the best proceed.
When possible, we heal rather than discard. Skill gives second chances.
Approved. The word every garment must earn.
Signed. Stamped. Accountable. Every batch has its paper trail.
Finished, inspected, approved, ready for the final journey.
The polybag. Protection against dust. Promise of freshness.
The hologram of authenticity. Bangladesh's promise. Genuine. Official.
Every jersey tracked, from factory to fan. Digital accountability.
The hang tag. Information and invitation. Ready for the retail world. Size by size. Dozen by dozen. Cartons filled with national pride.
Sealed for protection. Bound for the world.
Pallet by pallet.
The nation's pride, stacked and secured.
Thousands of jerseys. Destinations across the globe. Patiently waiting.
Into the container. Into the vessel. Into the world.
Paperwork as precise as the product. Every export documented. Every customs cleared.
From Bangladesh shores to the world's stadiums. The journey of a jersey.
From our factory floor to your favorite store. The final mile.
30 years. Thousands of jerseys. One pair of hands.
The new generation. Designing tomorrow's legacy today.
They are not just workers. They are a community. A family.
Every expert was once a beginner. Every beginner becomes an expert.
70% of this workforce are women. Skilled, strong, essential.
Safety is not optional. Every worker deserves protection.
Certified. Audited. Approved by the world standards. Every jersey carries the touch of 100 hands. Each one matters. Faith and work. Spirit and industry. Both honored here.
They return home. To families. To dreams. Carrying pride in what they've built.
For them, it's not just a jersey. It's a dream. It's belonging. It's hope.
And when the anthem plays, every stitch, every cut, every hour of labor finds its meaning.
From fiber to finish. From factory to field. The journey of a nation's pride.